Hi guys, my name is Shupe. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for all the support you guys have shown me over the last few weeks. Guys, today I'm coming to you with a Melanin Barbie makeup look. Like, this look is giving me life. It's just like beams of life coming my direction. I'm totally happy with how it turned out. Like, listen, this is that like eat you some chocolate kind of like makeup slay. Like, you need to go out when you wear makeup like this, but don't forget that there's corona out there. Stay home, stay safe. With that being said, guys, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. Before I do that, please do remember to click the subscribe button below. Get to click the ring button so you get notifications once I upload videos, and please do leave a comment. I'll see you on the flip side.
I wanna shoot, baby, shoot.
Okay guys, I did go off camera and do my eyebrows off of camera. If you want to check out how I do my eyebrows, I'm going to leave the link below for my eyebrow tutorial. Today I'll be using my James Charles palette. And I'll predominantly be playing with the pinks on this side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brown transition color right over there, and I'm just going to pat that all over my eyelid just to make sure that, you know, there's a blank canvas. Okay guys, after the transition, I'm going to go in with that dark purple down there. I'm just going to put that in the crease of my eye.
Shoot out with the sauce. That spikes with the money, oh. John do mellow with the love. Baby jet with the ballin', oh. On the street show me love. My girl live on a corner with the looks. So below with the juice. Utuno for our auntie, me Johnny Brahman, she be rebel with the rules, she be naughty. Medusa with the Versace. If you know be me, then nobody fit touch it.
After using that purple, I'm gonna go in and use that black over there, also in the crease of my eye.
If you know be positive, don't comment. You know go find another who they do it like. Be a dead alive with the money. Jim Mike with the love. Okocha with the ball. Maggie with the sauce. I'll be a dead alive with the money. Oh. Ramsey Noah with the love. Okocha with the balling. Oh. Ajinomoto with the sauce. My girl, coke butter with the body. Oh. Coke butter with the body. Hey, still with the body. Oh. You go kill somebody. My girl, coke butter with the body. Oh.
I'm gonna go ahead and pick up that pink in the corner there and just kind of put it on the top to just kind of like lighten the dark kind of purple. And then also what I'm going to do with that pink is I'm going to put it in the crease. I'm going to cut a crease.
Oh my lord, look at me. Chick fine past Kentucky. She scatter my system, brain corrupt. Her ass they bounce like she they work for clubs. She make my tintin up. She be like, who's the boss? I stay mute, of course. I don't finish my course. I'm from a swacking gone. She be uncle with a beat. Wow. Azuma with a punch. She be Miami with a heat. You the fella, me fancha, Marina Sanchinam. Tarzan with the moose swings. But another mind, she be barbecue with a grill on my body sick, kill it, testy yummy. Never beat the best yummy. Second song, crazy yummy. Where you always see me. Mommy, dear mommy.
My girl, coke bottle with the body, oh. Coke bottle with the body. It's with the body, oh. You go kill somebody.
I'm then gonna blend the two colors together just to make sure there's no harsh lines on my eyeshadow. Okay guys, so that is what the blending for the eyeshadow kind of looks like. Just to make my pink kind of pop a little more. Okay, just to make my pink pop, I'm gonna be taking my Jowet's Masquerade Mini. I'm gonna be picking up that pink over there. Don't look up there, the pink over there, just to make my pink pop even more. I love the pink.
Oh my lord, look at me. Chick fine pass Kentucky. She scatter my system, brain corrupt. Her ass they bounce like she they work for.
Okay guys, so I went off camera to do my eyelashes. I'm wearing very dramatic eyelashes. I look like I'm about to fly away. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and give you a bomb look. I can't stop looking at myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be using the Smashbox primer all over my face. I'm then gonna color correct with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange.
My girl, coke bottle with the body, oh, coke bottle with the body. It's with the body, oh, you go kill somebody.
To use a beauty blender to blend out that corrector. And to grab a concealer in the same shade as me, just for extra coverage.
I tell a lie with the money, G-Mike with the love. Coach out with the boys, Mikey with the sauce.
I'm then gonna grab my foundation, the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, and just put that all over my face.
with the money, my G with the love. I bet the pillar with the ballin'. Shoot out with the sauce. That spikes with the money, oh. John Dumelo with the love. Baby Jet with the ballin', oh. On the street show me love. My girl live on a corner with the looks. So below with the
I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro concealer and contour the under of my eyes, and then also just contour the rest of my face.
If you know be me, then nobody fit touch it. Everything set. If I no get set. From to her that me be your tea, I say up.
I'm then gonna grab my Iman stick foundation in the color Earth to just contour my face and just create some shadows and blend. Then gonna go ahead and contour my nose.
My girl, coke bottle with the body, oh, coke bottle with the body. With the body, oh, you go kill somebody.
Yeah. Put you on a billboard, put you on a TV station. Yeah. I no go buy you fuel, I fee buy you filling station. Woo! Open Ferrari, and now what's a Bugatti?
I'm then gonna grab my Sacha Buttercup powder and just set all the highlight on my face to make sure everything is set in stone.
She be like, who's the boss? I stay mute, of course. I don't finish my course. I'm from a swacking gone. She be uncle with a beat. Wow. Azuma with a punch. She be Miami with a heat. You the film?
Going to grab my LA Girl Pro Concealer setting powder in the color Cocoa, and I'm just going to set the contour on my nose and also on my face to make sure everything is popping.
My girl, coke bottle with the body, oh, coke bottle with the body. It's with the body, oh, you go kill somebody.
I'm then gonna grab my MAC powder and put it all over my face just to make sure that everything is in proportion and just get myself a more natural look.
G-Mike with the love. Coach out with the boys. Mikey with the sauce. I tell a lie with the money, oh. Runs know how with the love.
Grab my setting spray just to make sure everything is set. Okay guys, so I'm going ahead and use my setting spray, and now I'm going to be going through and using my blush. I'm just going to take a little contour brush and just push my blush on my cheeks.
Baby Jet with the ballin', on the street show me love. My girl live on a corner with the looks. So below with the juice.
And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna be using my Gold Deposit by MAC.
nobody fit touch it. Everything set, if I don't get set. From to her that me be your tea, I say, oh, bye, we am a chargy. Stand up, nigga, by make a question. If you know be positive, don't comment. You know, go find another who they do it like.
So that's just perfect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and these days, guys, I'm not really like a lipstick type of girl. I just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I'm not even gonna line my lips. I'm really just gonna leave them as they are. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that gold deposit and I'm just gonna put it on the bridge of my nose. And I'm gonna put it on the tip of my nose.
She scatter my system, brain corrupt. Her ass they bounce like she they work for clubs. She make my
I'm gonna take some of that gold deposit and just put it in the arch of my eyebrows just to pop my eyebrows up.
She be uncle with a beat. Wow. Azuma with a punch.
I'm just gonna go over with my setting spray. I'm gonna go very, very mildly. Just to set everything.
My girl, coke bottle with the body, oh, coke bottle with the body. It's to with the body, oh, you go kill somebody. That's it. Kill somebody.
Okay guys, so this is the final look of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had a lot of fun making myself into a Barbie. And once again, don't forget to click the subscribe button, leave a comment.